So Data put me on to another music group, and we're gonna listen to their song today. Hopefully, it does not get copyrighted. We'll figure it out when that time comes. But Data, you have the stage, my man.
Y'all have heard this story before. I was scrolling through TikTok one day, as one does, um, and I came across a band. They are fairly new. This is called The Paradox. Uh, from what their Spotify page says, they formed in July last year, July 2024. So they're fairly new. To my knowledge, they have three official songs. This is the most recent official song, has a 2025 release year. Genre wise, it's like new age pop punk